Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Trading 212 app for beginners 2026. So once you sign up, you will be greeted with the homepage, which is basically a watch list of all of the main of any of the stocks that you have chose. And here we can go on gold, we can go up to the top right hand side corner of the screen and add to watch list. And I will add any stocks to the watch list so you can easily access them. And here are all the stocks that we can trade from commodities, stocks, indices, forex, most traded, top movers, etc. If you've just set up your account, there will be next steps in order to set up your trading account. So here they will ask you some questions about setting up your account properly. So go ahead and answer all these questions. It's just a knowledge test. So after you've answered all the questions, you can go ahead and deposit funds here. And at the top, we can select different accounts. So you can have an investing account or a CFD account. Investing means you're investing in products for a longer period of time. You're not doing as short-term trades. Also, you have CFD accounts, which means that you can trade more frequently and you don't actually own any of the product. You're just trading on the position of whether the market goes up or down. And also here we can open other accounts like a cash, ISA, etc. And down here you will see your account value. So all of the information regarding your account will be here. So on my investor account, you can see that I have a little bit of investments, 10p from Tesla. And then on the search bar here, we can search for any stocks. Here we can get a Trading 212 card for no monthly fees, earn cashback, spend worldwide, etc. And then here there will be social. There will be a social window here where you can see any information about any markets, as news is very important and they move markets, especially US markets right now, Donald Trump and stuff like that. So it's very important to stay up to date on the news. Here we have community. So if we want to follow SpaceX and we are trading SpaceX, we can find out a lot of information about this. And then here we can see all of the information regarding any account type that we have and anything that we might want to do, like manage funds, deposit, convert, withdraw here, etc. So we can trade. We can click on practice with virtual money. As you can see here, I am trading on a virtual account, but it'll be exactly the same. So as you can see, my position is on USD. If we want to do a trade, we can click on any market, press on it. Then here we can select buy or sell. So say that we want to buy, we can set limit stops, take profits, and stop losses here. And we can change the price. Here, set stop losses. We can also do a trailing stop loss, and the distance will be the distance from the current price to your trailing stop loss. So when the price is moving in your favor, it will follow by a distance of 40 points. When you're ready, press confirm, and that will confirm you into a trade. And also, if you want to exit a trade, you can go to your account information here, and you can see on positions here, we can press the close, and that will close out the position for us. We can also reset the account here, change the value of the account, select the currency. So if I want to place a trade with real money, click on one of these, press buy or sell, then you will see potential currencies that you can do. As you can see, the value, you can add the value here and press review or order. If you don't have sufficient funds, you have to deposit funds here or convert. And here we can see all of the information regarding that particular market, any up and coming news, stats, the forecasts about other people who are trading gold also. And yeah, that's how this goes, guys. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.